Is it time to buy or sell supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we're diving deep into supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 16th of June, 2025, our system has identified supermicrocomputer as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 7.81. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.68%. This equates to an average return of 0.95% per day since its designation as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper section of a broad and robust rising trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $48.12 would initially suggest an accelerated rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 39.4% over the coming 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 17.78% and 43.90%. In terms of the longer outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 38.4%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 100% and negative 34.61% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $30.48. Our latest daily update for supermicrocomputer includes the headline: Supermicrocomputer stock price up more than 8.8% on Wednesday. The supermicrocomputer stock price gained 8.8% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, rising from $42.84 to $46.61. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.84% from a day low of $43.12 to a day high of $46.93. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 8.62% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 27 million more shares were traded than the day before, amounting to 84 million shares bought and sold for approximately $3.92 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $96.33, while the lowest was $17.25. Currently, the price is 51.61%, or $49.72, below the 52-week high, and 62.07%, or $76.29, below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer, trading under the ticker SMCI, is making headlines today with strategic moves aimed at transforming the data center landscape through its new liquid-cooled DCBBS AI systems. This innovation positions the company to potentially capitalize on increasing demand in the AI sector, which could drive revenue growth in both the short and long term. Despite a strong year-to-date performance, climbing over 34%, SMCI's recent $2 billion convertible senior notes offering poses a challenge. Typically, such offerings can lead to stock dilution, causing short-term volatility. The recent dip in share prices reflects investor concerns over these potential dilutive effects. However, this funding is also crucial for the company to bolster its operational capabilities, enhancing its competitive edge amid fierce market conditions. Additionally, SMCI's proactive engagement in global AI strategies, including partnerships like the $20 billion Saudi Data Vault collaboration, positions it well against a backdrop of robust demand in the tech space. These strategic initiatives suggest confidence in its growth trajectory, despite the immediate challenges posed by market volatility. In summary, While short-term fluctuations may arise due to the convertible note offering, SMCI's long-term outlook remains supported by its innovative solutions and strong positioning in the AI market, likely appealing to investors looking for growth potential in tomorrow's data centers. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Raymond James assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initiate action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, Raymond James also assigned SMCI an outperform grade with an initiate action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, KGI Securities assigned SMCI a neutral grade with an initiate action. Lastly, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Barclays assigned SMCI an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro Computer stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro Computer. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. Supermicro Computer stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at the levels of $43.85 and $41.27. Should the stock fall below either of these thresholds, sell signals will be triggered. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, the 30th of April, in the year 2025, and since then, it has risen by 46.3%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. The volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a strong technical signal. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots revealed a buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger generated a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages pointed to a buy signal 30 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 31 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 25 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro Computer. Supermicro Computer finds support from accumulated volume at $46.15. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.81 between its high and low, representing an 8.84% change. In the past week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 6.44%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro Computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard PE ratio, often observed in companies with long histories or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 440 10,000ths. Pay attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to gauge the best time to exit. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $46.15. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from multiple analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of June, 2025, Liang Charles conducted an insider purchase of 300,000 shares of common stock. On the same day, Liu Liang Chu Sarah also conducted an insider purchase of 300,000 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, David E. Wigand conducted an insider purchase of 67,000 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Wally Liaoyi Shine conducted an insider purchase of 177,600 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Liang Charles conducted another insider purchase of 184,694 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider sentiment is negative with a ratio of 0.0. Overall, insiders acquired 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $44.79, reflecting a decline of 3.9%. This stock demonstrates medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 38 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several positive signals and is within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, June 26th, we expect Supermicrocomputer to open lower by $1.06, beginning its trading at $45.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.